Hey guys, welcome back to Tint Haus. Dan here again. We've got a really cool new exciting toy that we just picked up, the new G90 M3 CS. Let's head over and check it out. Introducing the BMW M3 CS G90. This track monster from Munich is one seriously quick vehicle produced by the BMW M team. The M3 CS, which stands for Competition Sport, is arguably the most formidable track BMW released to date. It's lighter, quicker, and handles significantly better than the standard M3 comp. Like always, the BMW official stats are completely understated, with many independent tests producing 0 to 100 times in the sub 3 second range, with a mind-blowing quarter mile time of 10.7 seconds. This thing is aggression personified. The aggressive open mouth kidney grills and carbon fiber body kit gives it some serious track-ready street appeal. The signature yellow drive lights give it a really sinister appearance, which matches its neck-breaking performance. When you step inside, you're immediately presented with a myriad of carbon fiber parts, from the dash, the console, the seats and trimmings. It really does feel like you're hopping into the cockpit of a purpose-built race car. Well, here it is, guys, in its final glory, all dolled up, the new M3 CS. This thing came up absolutely amazing. It looks aggressive as hell, super sexy curves all around it. But let me tell you, like any sexy woman, you don't want to upset it because this thing can really hurt you. We specifically bought this thing to track it, to have some fun in it, and we're going to be doing some really cool new videos in the future where we get it out on the track and put it through its paces. In order to do that, we've obviously had to protect it the way we always do, with our signature XPEL wrap around all corners and edges PPF. This thing looks flawless, not visible to the naked eye, but super protected, ready for the track. We've gone with a mid-strength tint on this one here, guys, at 50% XR plus ceramic tint from XPEL, which is 98% IR heat resistant. But at the same time, it's going to give really good visibility for that track use. We don't want to be compromising our visibility with this thing. It could get really hairy and scary. As per always, we've gone with a full interior protection on this baby, but we've gone a little bit extra with this one. A lot of carbon fiber in it, all the console areas, the back of the seats and so forth. So those areas we've actually PPF to protect it, make sure it doesn't get scratched and scuffed up. Final piece of the puzzle, as always, is the Tint Haus signature 10H ceramic paint coating, which we've coated every single area of the car that wasn't wrapped. So all the exterior glass, the alloy wheels, all the mouldings, tail lights, any other little ancillary item around the vehicle is all coated with our 10H coating to make sure it's all hydrophobic, super easy to clean in the future. As always, guys, it's been an absolute pleasure bringing this beast of a car to you. This time, however, it's see you later and not goodbye. This is to be continued. We're going to be bringing this beast to the track and really putting it through its paces and testing that XPEL PPF. Till next time, guys, keep on rocking.